What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome to SFN, where we get them in pieces and we put them together, man. So today, bro, I'm just chilling out, right? And I saw a truck on the marketplace that piqued my interest, man. So they said I could come look at it this morning, you know. So I'm gonna try to get in contact with them and see what's going on, man. Okay, we got them back on the line. I'm finna hit them up and try to get an extra address.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing? I suppose I've been coming to check out the F-250 today, and she had told me to call you for an extra address.
Sir, how you doing? My name's Frank.
All right.
Yeah, so my wife's been talking. She's on the way to the truck now. I'm probably going to be there right at 10. What were you asking for?
Call you for the extra address, cause she gave me Warner and West Central or something, but it's not like an address, and like I'm not from here, so I don't know what it's at.
Yeah, it's in Hidden Valley in Maricopa. I will. Can you just do me a favor? I'm on the highway. If you could text me, I will text you the address right now, and then you'll have a location.
Okay.
But I'm wondering, are you still on track for 10 a.m.?
Yeah. I was finna. I don't know. I'm in Chandler. I don't know how far it was. I was just gonna head to it towards the way when you start sending the address.
Chandler, you're probably 45 minutes.
All right.
Something like this. It depends on where in Chandler. But okay, just do me a favor. I'm gonna get off the phone. Just text me, and then I'll copy and paste the address, send it to you. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. See you in a little bit, Dave. Thanks. Bye.
All right.
Starting route to 691 South Morning Dove Street. Proceed to South Alma School Road. Then turn right.
This John ways away, baby. Commute a little rough, y'all. I ain't in the day, baby. So my commute is a little rough, man. So I'm finna head up here. So I'm finna gas up, head towards that way, man. And sitting at this red light, finna hit to the gas station, man. It's a lot that I want to do on this channel, man. We gotta get this stuff right, man, so we can do it right. I got the GPS going, and we're finna go to the gas station, get a little gas, head out here in this weather. I got new tires on the wheel, baby, so we gonna slide in this weather. But I'm finna head up in Maricopa County. You know, you always see me in that county, man, even though I'm a city boy, you know, a Memphis boy. But I'm in that county, you know. I'm all through every county, baby. I'm on the West Coast right now in that county. Yeah, cause that's where you find the good deals at, man, you know. I just gotta document what I'm doing, man. And I'm trying to like move up, bro, like. I can't be, you know, man, in these little 9 to 5s, baby. Cause that shit don't really get you nowhere, bro. Like, you work 60-something years just to retire and get you about 40,000-50,000 or whatever, bro. In 60 years, you know how much money you could have been made if you was out here taking risks, bro. Selling and taking risks, bro. Man, you could have made so much money, bro. So like, that's why I just chill, bro. Right now I'm at the QT. Let me try to get some, I'm finna get some gas up out this joint, bro. But I'm at the QT. Finna gas up, baby. We gassing up right now, man. It's a very, very windy day, man. Very, very windy day. Let y'all see my password in my card, man. Cause then y'all will try to get some of that good gas off of me. Even though, you know, I don't mind. But yeah, we putting that 87 in everything. I don't give a fuck if I was in a Ferrari. We gonna put that 87 in there, man. But we at the QT, baby. We at the QT. Y'all can't really see it. Let me bring it in. We at the QT, man. And that's where we be posted. That's where we do a lot of things at. You know, we make a lot of magic happen at the QT, baby. We gassing up. I don't know how much I'm gonna put in, man, you know. But we need enough to get there and get back, man. So I'm probably stop it about at 15 right here. And we finna get on out of the we finna get out of here, baby. So let me even get y'all back right for me. So let me brighten us back up. Okay. Let me see we shooting. That's cool right there. Brighten us back up a little bit, baby. You know, finna get on this little ride that I need to be on, man. Go check this out. And I'll be back with y'all when I get back in town. It's bad out here today, boy. Hopefully, you know, this is a good day for me. Ain't no police out here, bro. You know, I can blow my ass out. So we on the way. On the way out here to the truck. What's up, guys? We almost there. We about 11 minutes away from where everything is. I'm in the middle of the desert out here, guys. Shit, you know, you gotta keep your word, bro. When you out here doing this, you gotta keep your word, man. Look at it. Middle of nowhere, man. It said turn left at the next stop sign, baby. And the next stop sign up here. I think I'm finna go to a goddamn farm or something, boy.
At the stop sign, turn left onto North Amarillo Valley Road.
Damn, I don't even know I'm that guy. Hopefully the GPS take me where I need to be, baby. I'm gonna have to remember this so I can get back. But yeah, YouTube, we on another one, baby. I'm in the middle of the county, baby. I'm in the middle of the county lines, you know, and I'm looking for a good work truck that we can put together and try to make something happen, man. We 8 minutes away. I like that type of opportunity where you can, you know, buy you a piece of land and do what you want to do. This shit's so far from the city, but man, it might be cheap, you know. And like, I'm just coming to look at a truck. But man, one day, it's up in Otto. We were on some acres. And we were on us a facility, baby. It's a little wind out there. Let me roll it up. But I'll be pulling up in about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Damn. Woo. Woo. These roads bumpy, baby. Get to it, bro. You gotta make shit happen, bro. If it's a way, it's a will, baby. You know? We've been messing around with the little Maxes and shit, but we've been like borrowing trucks and shit. So I told y'all about you can find something with some good bones, you know what I'm saying, at the yard. I mean, you can find a platform on Facebook, and then you go to the yard and build that platform to what you want it to be, the work truck or whatever you want it to be. So this for sale right here. I need to see, you know, what's up out here. There might be plenty of snakes and shit out here, and scorpions and motherfucking whatever you call them motherfucking, them big ass little dragon lizard things. There might be a lot of them out here. Damn. They chasing the car. Them little motherfucking dogs chasing the car. Oh, bro.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
In about 3 minutes, I should be pulling up On the
In
truck.
half a mile, turn right onto West Sottle Road.
Damn, man. And like, bro, this shit, you gotta enjoy life, man. Like, you can't be scared, bro, to get out here and try to make something happen, man. You can't be scared, bro. It's out here. You know what I'm saying? It is out here, bro. And I should be
Turn
pulling
right
up
onto West Sottle Road.
3 minutes. I don't know what's going on, bro. I don't know how to get up out of this hole. Fool. I'm just doing what the GPS say.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto South Morning Dove Street.
I'm just doing what the GPS say, bro. Okay, baby. We done made it. We done made it.
Arrived.
So let's get it. So check it out. See what's going on. Hey, how you doing?
Got the photo crew here, huh?
Nah, I'll just do a couple YouTube videos, like kind of fixing up cars and finding cars and stuff like that.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
Nice. So here's the deal with this vehicle. When we got it, we were using it to run around town. Okay.
Okay.
Locally, we used to live right out here, not far away from here.
Okay.
I knew the transmission was bad or slipping right off the bat when I got the vehicle because the guy told me that the transmission's probably going to be replaced.
Yeah.
But we were able to drive it. It got to a point where it wasn't catching at all. It only
Okay.
started working in reverse. So but the engine's fine. The engine's strong. You're welcome to look underneath,
Okay.
open it up, do whatever you want to do here. Okay.
Oh, so is this the V10?
This is, yes.
Okay.
I brought a battery, but because it's been sitting for probably a couple months now.
Yeah.
So we could start it up, but I don't have the right wrenches. I don't know if you have wrenches on you.
Yeah, I got
You got some
tubes.
wrenches? All right. If you could pop the
Okay, guys. Okay. So V10, the Triton.
It's flat back here. I have an extra one, but again, it's got a tread like this. It's not a great tread.
Okay.
Bumpers in the back. Yep, bumpers in the back. So I believe you're gonna need new rear shocks.
Yeah.
Okay, you've got a crack in the windshield in the front,
Okay.
but it's a good truck. It's a good truck for someone for what we're selling it for.
Yeah.
You want to buy it? Look at it. Do whatever you need to do here. Like I said, I got this battery we can hook up so we can start it up.
Okay, you said you need. We're currently looking at the car, guys. 1500. 1500. That's a good deal. Let's see what we need. Here, crank.
Hello? Hey, what's going on? Say it again. So he's got channel. The gentleman that's looking at it right now has channel locks. It's probably not ideal. Are you able to get it with the channel locks? Sir, you good with the channel locks, or you want me to get a wrench?
It's on, it's on.
Oh, it's on. Okay, he's got it with the channel.
Just tighten it up a little bit.
So I don't think he's going to take it today. If he is going to, he does this with other guys. I guess they buy vehicles like this and fix them up. So, he didn't come with anything. Gonna have to crank it a few times before. Okay. All right, very good. Thank you. What's up?
Okay, guys. So. Elza, baby. Everything check out for me, baby. It fired up on the first time. It got a little exhaust leak and little shit like that. But that ain't stopping me from getting no money. You know, I mean, giving him the money for it. The little exhaust leaks and shit, that ain't nothing. They're just pipes that need to be welded up or new pipes ran. But over everything. Now we headed back to the house. I'm gonna have to close this video out, and I'll see y'all on the next one, baby. Just like that. Welcome to SFN, where we get them in. We looking for a truck, baby.